What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. Yes, you guys, I am still here in Five Below, and we have a lot to look at. If you guys missed my very last video, we started looking at clothing, we were looking at nails, perfume, and makeup, but this video is gonna be all about jewelry, hair accessories, clothes, and other things like that. So let's go ahead and start right away looking at some of this brand new jewelry. These are the stretchy bracelets. These are $4.25. These are definitely new, and it says be kind. I love the pink and blue. I love this one. It kind of reminds me of jade. And some of these earrings I feel are new. Now we have some earrings that have been here for quite a while, so you can always count on finding them or getting replacements if you need them. But also we have a lot of new items, a lot of hoops and studs. We have this whole area and down of like nothing but anklets, and they are so cute. We have beaded ones. We have some that are just like the little string. Yes, you guys, I still have my burn on my hand. It's the same day. I think it was like an inner tube burn from floating down the river. So sorry, you guys have to look at it. Hopefully next week's videos, my hands will be looking a little bit better. But yeah, you guys, we have some really cute accessories. This side is mostly just $3.25 items. Actually, everything over here is just $3.25 on this side. Just always look up and you'll see the price. I love the rose quartz, howlite. We just have so many pretty items here. We have the little necklace sets. These are $5. The watches are also $5. We have chokers, beaded chokers, fabric chokers, just all sorts of different chokers, all sorts of styles. Most of these are 5 packs. And then over here we have tons of rings, and all of the rings are $5. We get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think each of them is 10 to a little card. This one is so pretty. Again, I'm getting jade vibes from this one. You know how we can get jade in all different colors like pink and green and white. I just think jade is so pretty. And we also have the sealed packs over here. But let's look over here now at some of the hair accessories, because I think some of these are new, and I just love that it's like hair, earrings, and necklaces. I think that's such a cute combo. Yeah, such a cute combo. These are just $3.25, and I love the pastel colors. They are really, really nice. These remind me of the ones that you've seen people on TikTok make with the little molds. These are so cute. Oh, look at the rose. We have roses and butterflies, pearls and diamonds. Pretty barrettes. We also have scrunchies over here. We have the little spirals. We have velvet. Bandana. Themed ones. These are so soft. Those are really nice. They're really soft. Then we have a bunch of headbands over here. These are all single packs of headbands. They're $3.25 each. And then we have the little two-tone head wraps over here. Whoa, that one is so soft. We have some tie-dye ones down here. If you're into tie-dye, we have some tie-dye pastels. And some more bandana ones here. I love that pink so much. And the blue. Okay, you guys, so over here we have little backpacks. I just wanted to see if we have anything new over here. These hats are so soft. We have per my last email. We have the bucket hats. They all feel very soft and lived in a good way. I think these are new, both the black and the white. And then I think these have been here a little bit. Of course, we have the $5 tees, SpongeBob, Transformers. Lots of Star Wars, lots of Marvel. Joker. I'm just really happy to be in here right now because I feel like when they had the 7 o'clock time of, you know, closing time, I feel like I was having a really hard time getting here, but now they're open till 8. So I feel like I have a little bit more time. These were here last time. I think they're really cute. The tees, and we do have some extra larges. These are all the crop tees. The bodysuits. Little summer dresses. That one's actually really cute. If I was super tiny, I would definitely wear that. Not saying you need to be super tiny to wear it. They do have larges and extra larges. I'm just not really in a place right now where I feel like wearing dresses. Oh, these are cute. We have even more over here. Little cotton dresses. Stripes, these are a little bit longer. Let's go around and see what other sort of clothes we have over here. Wow, we have lots of water bottles. I love these faceted ones. Ooh, that green is so pretty. $5 water bottles, you can't beat it. We also have glass water bottles. And then we have a bunch of Cool Gear Sip Back 64-ounce water bottles up top. Again, just $5. 2 packs of Marvel socks and character socks, Looney Tunes, Nickelodeon. We have men's flip-flops. These feel pretty nice. They feel really sturdy. Again, just $5. $5 flip-flops, also in brown. We even have men's shorts. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Schrute Farms. People love beets. Nope, for $20.48. SpongeBob, Toon Squad, Central Perk, Pawnee Rangers. They know what sort of shows we like. These are so cute. Oh, so cute. Let's see what sort of tees we might have. We have some new sports bras. Okay. Groovy is so cute. I wanted to get this one for Birdy, and a small would totally fit her, but she does like her tees kind of big. I just think the colors are really, really cute, and the mushrooms are really, really cute. I just kind of love it. I kind of love it. I'm gonna have to ask her if she wants it. Oh my gosh, look at the kitty. Look at the kitty. Aww. This one feels a little thinner than some of the others. Look at the kitty. Aww. Hope. We have Hope. That reminds me of the Icon shirt that they used to have here. Kindness Comes Back Around. We have a variety of those. Mirage, Death Valley. I love that one with the cactus. Hide and Seek World Champ, Sasquatch. That's definitely new. Oh, these are so cute. Okay, I know Birdy would love this. And she is Lady Luck. It says Lucky on it, I think. Let's see. She is Lady Luck, and she is really into all of this right now. Look at this, all of these graphics. I gotta get this for her. I think she would like it. I think it's really, really cute. Cruella. We have Wheaties. We have Maryland. The Maryland one is new. Ooh, and look, it's like silky. It has pearls. That's new. Imposter. Actually, imposters. We have the silky Mean Girls. That's my first time ever really seeing the silky front on a tee. Rugrats. Peanuts. That's that one. Give this world positive energy. Never too old for fairy tales. I love looking at their shirts. I love it. Trolls. At one point, Birdy wanted a Trolls shirt, but I don't think they had it in her size. So I'm gonna have to ask her. She loves shirts from here, but like I said, she really likes to get them big. One of her favorite shirts of all time was this one when it came in the black. That shirt, you guys should see it. I mean, she's still wearing it. She wears it a lot. She likes to sleep in it. And that shirt it's pretty faded, but it's like in perfect condition besides it being faded. And she's probably had it for like a couple years. Oh my gosh, you guys, we have the Dunder Mifflin tees. Dunder Mifflin. There it is. Yes. I love these shirts. And Gator has this one. He really likes it. He likes it a lot. And he has, where's the other one he has? He has a Mickey Mouse shirt in here with some kanji on it that he loves. And my older son has that one too. They both really liked it. So yeah, the shirts in here are amazing. You guys, but on that note, I'm gonna go, I'm gonna FaceTime my kids. Oh my gosh, you guys, we have another Shroot Farm one. I'm gonna FaceTime my kids, show them some of these shirts and see what sort of shirts they want me to get them, as long as I can get them in their size. I think I'm gonna be getting a few, but it was really fun shopping with you guys and bringing you guys along. I just love Five Below. Anyways, you guys, that's it for me. Definitely join the Bunny Birdie Gator family. Hit subscribe, hit like, show YouTube and the algorithm that you like hanging out with me and that you like shopping in Five Below. Anyways, you guys, if you need to see more Five Below videos, definitely check out my playlist and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.